I thought I had time to get changed, but they are here. I think I'm gonna greet everyone in my normal clothes and then I'll get changed after that. I know. Alright, no problem.
اوكي لبن سكينه هي
اوكي هيا معنا هيا ان شاء الله
هاي أرم ما جوت
حتى قال له كذا واحد كقر وانا حلو
It's Sunday. I'm still in Sweden. I'm gonna go for a little dilly dally. I'm gonna get ready, have breakfast, wear something like that. It's so cold here, so I can't. And bear in mind, I bought this, like a backless top, some jeans, you know, linen, thinking that it was gonna be as hot as London. But alas, we work with what we have. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready right now and go for a little dilly dally, take some photos of the streets of Sweden. But I'm really getting into photography now. Have breakfast, come back home, come back to the hotel, come back home. Come back to the hotel and get ready and leave. Toodaloos! I am at the airport. I've literally just freshened up a little bit, getting ready to go on the plane, and I feel like a completely different woman. I am so glad I came. I'm so glad I brought Brown Helen to Sweden. It has been such an incredible time. And when I say motion is king, regardless of how you feel, regardless of what's going on, keep on moving. Find the solutions, the joy, all the goodness on the other side of motion. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye, see you in London.
I think, girl, I need this. This is a lot.